Welcome to our channel. Today we bring you a special and detailed recipe for preparing pastries from start to finish, along with some tips for achieving beautiful and delicious shapes. We hope you enjoy and benefit from the video. Don't forget to support us by liking, sharing the video, and subscribing to the channel. First, we start by preparing the dough. In a large bowl, add 1½ cups of warm milk. Then add 3 tablespoons of sugar and 1 tablespoon of instant yeast. Mix the ingredients well and leave it for 10 minutes until the yeast activates and small bubbles appear on the surface. Next, add 2 eggs, half a cup of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and a pinch of salt. Mix the ingredients well until combined. Then, start adding the flour gradually, about 5 cups, along with 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Knead the mixture continuously until you get a smooth and cohesive dough. After kneading, cover the dough with a damp cloth or plastic wrap and leave it in a warm place to double in size for an hour and a half. If you want to keep the dough for a longer period, you can put it in the refrigerator after covering it well with plastic wrap, where it will remain usable for up to 2 days. Once the dough has doubled in size, start dividing it into equal balls to make the shaping process easier. Roll out the dough on a floured surface to prevent sticking, then use cookie cutters or knives to get unique shapes. Add your favorite filling, such as cheese, chocolate, or jam, and then seal the dough tightly to ensure the filling doesn't leak during baking. To get beautiful shapes, try making braids with the dough or shaping it into flowers. You can use a fork to press the edges to give it a nice and distinctive look. After shaping the pastries, let them rest for 10 minutes before baking. Brush the pastries with a little beaten egg or milk, then sprinkle them with sesame seeds or nigella seeds as desired to add flavor and a unique texture. Bake the pastries in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes, or until they turn golden and are fully baked. After removing the pastries from the oven, brush them with a little melted butter to give them a wonderful shine and rich flavor. Now the pastries are ready to be served, looking beautiful and tasting delicious, loved by both adults and children. You can serve them with a cup of tea or coffee as a delightful snack. For perfect results, make sure to use fresh, high-quality ingredients and follow the steps precisely. Also, feel free to add your personal touch to the recipe by incorporating your favorite spices or flavors. If you like the recipe, don't forget to support us by liking, sharing the video, and subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching, and Eid Mubarak! We wish you happy times with your family and loved ones, and we look forward to seeing you in future videos. Eid Mubarak, and may you have a blessed year. May Allah accept all your good deeds. See you in a new recipe and a new video.